And then welcome to Easy Friday Business. The Kenya Bureau of Standards is planning further regulation to control importation and manufacturing of consumer goods. KEBS Chief Executive Officer Esther Ngari says the standards body is seeking to use the Standards Bill 2025 to institute tougher penalties for factories and importers of substandard goods to protect consumers.
Manufacturers and importers of substandard goods will be required to compensate the Kenya Bureau of Standards for any cost incurred during inspections. This is among a raft of measures that the standards body is proposing in the new Standard Bill 2025 as it plans greater control in consumer protection. KEBS CEO Esther Ngari says the current law limits the agency's ability to enforce quality standards effectively, especially in dealing with substandard imports and unsafe manufacturing practices.
We are looking at a bill that will serve us in the next 50 years or more, because the current bill has been there for over 50 years, and we want a law that will be able to protect the consumers, a law that will be able to help Kenya Bureau of Standards do its mandate in terms of consumer protection and regulation of the industry.
But in the old existing bill, we've been having challenges. At times, some of our inspectors, when it comes to maybe closing some of the factories or maybe through surveillance, you find some products are in this country and they are substandard in terms of quality.
The bill also proposes protecting the Kenya Bureau of Standards intellectual property and prevent unauthorized alteration of the agency's standards.
KEBS cannot be able to carry out its mandate. So some of the issues we are looking at in this new proposed bill is to look for more powers as far as matters of enforcement are concerned.
KEBS says the proposed law will align the agency's operations with laws which guarantees Kenya the right to goods and services of reasonable quality and also modernize KEBS operations.
The old bill was enacted in 1974, and in the estimation of the Kenya Bureau of Standards, it may have outlived its usefulness and requires to be relooked afresh to accommodate the new areas that are coming up in e-commerce, trade and development.
Benson Rioba reporting for Easy Friday.